This is my favorite hack for passive income, and nobody knows about it. My name is Khalif Williams. I am married, and I have two beautiful daughters, 2 and 8 years old. And just about a year ago, I found myself in some debt that I didn't know how I was going to get myself out of. And if you're like the average American, I know you can relate. Sometimes we take on debt to make sure we're meeting our immediate needs and we'll worry about paying it back later. But sometimes later is a can that gets kicked down the road. My goal for my family is to stop kicking that can down the road and get our debt paid off this year. So the hack that I discovered is a 2-hour daily blueprint for passive income that I'm surprised that nobody is talking about. It's a system that teaches you in 2 hours a day how to earn daily pay. So I'm able to do this around my schedule and around my wife and kids. 15 minutes here, 30 minutes here until the 2 hours are completed. And then the system is automated. So it's out there working for me 24/7. So the rest of the day, I can tend to what's important to me. This system is fully set up by the company and it allows me to have daily paydays like this. If you're looking to get out of debt quickly and passively, or if you have other financial goals that you want to take care of, this is the system for you. Nobody is talking about this, and it's easy, and you can get it set up in the next 48 hours. Put 2024 in the comments, and I would love to share this blueprint with you.